Okay, so welcome back. So now let's do an example of where you could use your CAS. Now this one, yeah, you could use your calculator. Again, make sure you know how to use it. There's a lot of Google YouTube videos. You can Google it for if it's a TI-83 or 84, 85 or an Inspire. Also the integral tables. But here I'm going to use Wolfram Alpha just to give an example. This is from the textbook. So, and just to give you an idea of what the differences might be between using a CAS, or using the, like for example in this case, trigonometric substitution. Okay, so if you use CAS like Wolfram Alpha, if you put this into their program to integrate this, then you're going to get this. Okay, now let's compare that with something you would have gotten if you did trig substitution. So with trig substitution you would have gotten something like this. Possibly, okay? So let's say this, you get something like this. Like this, okay? Now, but notice that if you rewrite this, and then use the properties of logs, then this just becomes the natural log of the absolute value of this minus the natural log of 2 plus c, and then of course this is just a number, right? So this just gets absorbed into the constant, and so they're essentially the same. Okay, so again, just be aware that when you use the a CAS, or you use the integral tables, remember you can get different results. Remember when in the previous videos we did one with tangent and we got another answer, but then when we did a substitution with using the hyperbolic sine and cosine, we got something different. Okay, but we also showed that they were the same solution. Okay, that the antiderivatives were actually the same. Okay, so just be aware that you may get something different, but doesn't mean that you're wrong. Okay, even if you look in the back of the book and you have a difference, just make sure that you understand what you're doing and you're doing it correctly, your techniques, and you're confident in that. The more you practice, the better. And so in that case, if you do get something in the back of the book, you want to double check, make sure that your answer is correct. But just because your answer may be different than what the back of the book has, doesn't mean that you're wrong automatically. Okay? So again, just do your due diligence, ask questions, reach out for help, and let me know if you have any questions regarding anything. On that, have a great day.